In this section, we're going to briefly go over what SOX Section 404 requires. SOX Section 404 is a mere 180 words, but has caused a lot of problems in terms of companies and auditors interpreting what it says. But what SOX 404 wishes to accomplish are three objectives. It wishes to require management and auditors to formally certify that adequate internal controls are in place. So what it does, it gives a name to the responsibility. If something is wrong, there is a person or persons to go to. Next, it specifies roles of the SEC and the Public Company Accounting Oversight Board in carrying out the objectives of SOX. Next, it clarifies what's required for a company to maintain adequate internal controls. SOX Section 404 has focused on two critical areas. The first one is management responsibility. Annual reports required to be filed with the SEC must state management's responsibility for establishing and maintaining an adequate internal control structure and procedures for financial reporting. 2. Effectiveness of internal control. An annual report must contain an assessment of the effectiveness of the company's internal control structure and procedures for financial reporting as of the end of the company's most recent fiscal year. SOX Section 404 requires the PCAOB to create standards specifically for auditors in complying with Section 404. Under this section, auditors are responsible for attesting to and reporting on the assessment made by management. They must do so in accordance with the standards for attestation engagements adopted by the PCAOB. Under Section 404, whenever the term internal control is used, it means internal control over financial reporting. So these are the objectives of SOX 404 and what it requires.